Greetings PMDF conference attendees. My name is Jane Tyska and I'm a photo and video journalist based in Oakland, California in the San Francisco Bay Area. I've been privileged to tell stories here for 21 years and work for a number of our publications including the Oakland Tribune, East Bay Times, and the San Jose Mercury News. In addition to photo and video, I also do some writing, and I'm an FAA licensed commercial drone pilot and have been using that in my reporting. The East Bay Times won the Pulitzer Prize in 2017 for our coverage of the tragic ghost ship fire in December of 2016 where 36 people died. It's a privilege and an honor to be invited to this conference, and I look forward to meeting many of you in Karachi and sharing our thoughts and ideas.